Creating presentations in PowerPoint takes forever. Even with pre-built templates, you're still spending hours formatting, aligning, and tweaking until it's good enough to share. Thankfully, there is now a much faster and effective way. It's called Gamma. It's AI powered, free to start, and builds polished presentations in minutes. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through a full tutorial of exactly how it works and what you can expect. Now, I've navigated to the website. It's gamma.app. I will leave a link in the description down below if you did want to head over at any point and test this out for yourself. Now, the beauty of Gamma is that it has a lot of versatility in terms of what it can do. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create presentations in minutes, but you can also create documents, PDFs, visual aids, social media graphics, and even entire websites with this tool. As I say, it's entirely free to get started. Now, head over to gamma.app and then just press start for free. What this will do is give you the ability to sign up for an account or sign in if you've done that already. Now, I've done that process ahead of time, and once you do that, you will get greeted with this particular interface. You have a few different options. We're going to be using Generate, and this is where we provide a prompt to give the tool an idea of what we're looking for. You can also paste in text. So this can be great if you've got pre-existing notes, an outline, or existing content. Now, there is somewhat of an overlap between these, but it really does depend on what you're looking to create. You can also import a file. So it could be that you create something really, really basic. It could be all the text, maybe even something like this. Obviously, it would be filled out, but you don't put all the kind of formatting in. And then you'd import that and get Gamma to basically optimize that existing document. You can also do something called remix a template, and that's something that's within the system itself, that kind of been pre-created and that you're kind of customizing from there. I'm going to hit generate, and this takes you to this screen. So as you can see, it's a really simple tool to use, very, very easy, and it's very kind of clear as well what you need to do. So what would we like to generate? Presentation, a web page, a document, or a social? Well, in this video, we're doing presentation. Cards is pretty much how many slides, if you like. So I'm on the free plan here, so you can do it up to 10 cards. If you get on the Plus or Pro plan or even Ultra, then this is where you get kind of expanded usage of the tool, but definitely try this first and see if it's for you. You then have the ability to use a different design mode if you wanted to change that. We'll leave it as classic for now. This is something to absolutely explore in your own time. You can also change the card size. So the default is like a fluid size, but you can have traditional or tall. It really does depend on what you're looking to create in your audience. And then all it pretty much is like any other large language model like ChatGPT, Claude, etc. You just plug in exactly what you want. And there are some example prompts that give you a bit of an idea as to what you might want to use. Now, I've prepared ahead of time, so I've gone to an online notepad. I've prepared a basic, well, I say basic, it's a prompt with some instructions because I want to be a bit more specific as to what we want to create. So if we just look at this, obviously you'd need to adapt this to suit your particular use case and needs, but it's something like, create a project status presentation. That's the kind of overall presentation we're looking to create. And then this is the audience. So for a steering committee meeting. Now I've put some additional information in here to help ensure that Gamma AI is able to basically get a feel for our industry and make it kind of visually appealing to our audience. But yeah, financial services, we've got this particular project, we've got a duration here. So this is just information that will help Gamma to populate the slides. And then I've got kind of the inclusion of particular slides. Now, you don't need to necessarily have all this detail, but the more detail you can give, the more direction you can give, the better. And then I've said that we want it to be professional, concise, executive friendly. We also want it to be clean, modern, and we also want it to have kind of minimal text. So what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to copy this in. You could just be a lot more simple in your prompt. We're going to do this, and then it's asking us to edit it. So here we go. So we're in the prompt editor here, and this basically just enables us to, update how it, we change it from this particular screen. We can condense it so it's more concise and presentable, and you can also preserve it as well if you needed to do that. You can change this here. So if I clicked minimal, this would have kind of minimal text on the slides. concise, extensive detail. So this is where we're kind of adding further context and detail. I've got some of this in here already in the prompt, but this is where if you don't include that, you can actually do that. So it's actually pulled this out. It's pulled this out exactly from our prompt here. So minimal, right for C-suite executives and project sponsors in financial services, American English, professional, concise, executive friendly. If you haven't got that in your prompt, you will need to kind of add this. Visuals. Now here is where we kind of choose the theme for the presentation itself. So you can view more, and we're just going to have a look through some of these when they appear on screen. I won't do that for now, just to save a little bit of time, but that's essentially how you see more themes. We'll go for this one. It looks quite neat. And then the image source, we could use stock images, we could use web images, AI images, illustrations, GIFs. So you can choose all of these different options. I will go for automatic, because I think that makes sense, just to show what Gamma can kind of do. And the format, presentation, we want that. And we've gone for the classic as well. So at this point, really, it's just making sure everything's in place. We've got an area to add some additional instructions if needed. Yeah, we just hit generate. And at this point, as I say, I've done a lot of the work up front with this prompt. And we just wait for this process. So look at this. Look how it's doing it. It's just putting all the information in, particularly with the elements I gave it. 3 out of 6 months complete, 42% miles of progress. And look how visual this is. Look, it looks absolutely amazing. It's very classy. It's very minimal, as I asked. It's got the graphics in. It's just fantastic. Imagine building this from scratch, how long this would take, even just to get the ideas of what to put in. I just love it. I just love how simple and easy this is. I love it how kind of futuristic it is, how we've got various different displays. We've got a table here. It's just great. You've got a good balance of images as well. And look, it's finished. At this point, it is finished. So now we just run through all of the different slides by clicking on the left-hand side. We can add new slides as well, known as cards, as we've seen so far. And we can make edits if we wanted to any slides. You know, the styling, we can make further edits with AI. So it's really, really useful. Let me see what this says. That's fine. But yeah, this got on the on-screen demo instructions of what we can do and where we can take this further. But it's absolutely brilliant. And then we've got a bit on project momentum. Maybe that image is a bit off. I can see why it's included it, but grapes would probably be off for this one. So yeah, it's, you know, a few subtle edits that need to be made. And then once we're done, it is just a matter of going through any further transitions here. We could add more cards, reorder them, you know, there's some recommendations here, but we're happy. So all we need to do at this point is we can share it. It's private by default, or we can present it, go into present mode, or we can, let's go into present just to show you. So let's just say, you know, we wanted to hop onto a call. We could do that. We could go back to the start. We go back to the start. And we could hop on a call, and maybe it's Teams, maybe it's Zoom, and we could just go through this. And it's got that transitions in. Look, as I go to the next slide. So it's really, really useful. I just love this. It's you know, you can have presentations created in minutes, as you've seen. We're going to exit presentation mode, and then you can do other things like you can put it into full screen, presenter mode. You can share, once you've made it public, you can share access with a link. So it's really, really useful. And then you've got things like version history. You can change things like your logo and colors and fonts. You can export it. So let me do that. We can export it to a PDF, to PowerPoint. So let's just do it to PowerPoint just to show you. So if you did want to send it, or if you did want to open it up in PowerPoint for that call or presentation that you're making, you can post it to LinkedIn. So it's so versatile. Go to Google Slides. You can export as images here, PNGs. Really, really useful. Just click this button and it's going to download it for us. So yeah, this is such a useful tool, and it's great to just get started with 10 slides. That will kind of be suitable for most of you. And then if you did want to get on a paid plan, that's always something you can explore. The pricing is also very, very affordable as well, I think, for the time that it saves you. So yeah, this is Gamma AI, and I really do think that this is worth exploring. testing out and seeing what you can build with it. I've just clicked on the home interface there. This is the kind of account screen that you will see when you log in. It gives you the ability to create new, import, etc., and just kind of manage everything that you've created. So yeah, head over to gamma.app, give this a try at the very least. And if you do want to master AI for project management and use it properly, the right way that's going to save you time and advance your career, there's a link in the description down below that will explain exactly how you can do that. With that said, best of luck over to you, and I hope you have an excellent day.